So it's been a while. I usually never cook beef, but I think I'm gonna cook some beef today, and I'm gonna make some beef stew. So that's the plan. And right now I'm having a snack. These are the peanut butter cookies. I don't like peanut butter, but I do like these cookies because they're salty and sweet, and I like that. I only cook fish or seafood, and of course seafood is so much softer, but it's tough. This meat is really tough, so I don't know how long it's gonna take me to make the stew. I'm cutting it in small pieces. So I just finished cutting some tomato, green pepper, and red onion. So I'm just adding some oil. Saute. So I am going to use these frozen vegetables. I just finished making the stew, but now I'm hungry. So I think I'm just gonna eat I think I'm just gonna have a garbanzo salad. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Okay, I just finished making my salad, and this is how it looks. Now let's see. Is that rico? So I just woke up from a nap, and I get a coffee to wake up, and this is a drink that I had the other day at Starbucks, and I'm going to try to recreate it and see if I wake up with that. So I have my espresso shot here, and I'm just gonna add sugar, cinnamon, brown sugar and cinnamon. So that's the cinnamon, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of brown sugar. So good. This is what I'm having for lunch. This is salmon and I think this is called bok choy, and it's really good. I like it with rice. So yesterday I went to see The Lion King. I took my kids to see it, and my sister came too, and we had so much fun. It was a nice show. However, it wasn't as good as it used to be. I don't want to say this, but I do think that it was Broadway on tour. So I don't know, it's just different. I went to see The Lion King years ago, and it was amazing, and this time was good too, but it wasn't that great. That's what I thought, but my kids really liked it. They really enjoy it, and yeah, we have fun. I'm gonna get lunch now. I already cooked lunch, so I'm gonna eat lunch. I made a stir fry, and this is ahi tuna. It was super easy to make, so I'm gonna eat that now. But I am very thirsty. I want to drink something, but I don't know what. I found this. I think it's the last one I have. So I made it to the gym, and it is 1:53. I usually work out in the morning around 8 a.m. I go to the gym and I work out for about an hour and a half or 2 hours. Depends how long it takes me to stretch. This time I had my lunch, it was delicious, but now it's time to work out. I've been trying to reduce my fat percentage, and it's been quite hard. And I'm doing it with a plan now. I don't follow the diet completely because I like to eat what I like to eat, but I am trying, like, if say it's a stir fry, then I will make my own stir fry and try to eat that and things like that. But I don't know. So on Friday I'm gonna get my body test to see what's my fat percentage, and hopefully I will see a positive change, hopefully. Okay, it's getting hot. I will see you later. So I came back from the gym, and it's been a few hours. I had a green smoothie, and I still have some left, but I don't think it's satisfying, so I'm gonna make a veggie burger. And I have tried this one. It's from Trader Joe's. It's the black beans and roasted corn. This one is good, but in my opinion, I think it's a little bit spicy. I do think it's spicy. So I'm gonna try this veggie burger, California veggie burger, Dr. Rogers or something like that. So they both have 5 grams of protein, and they both have this one doesn't have any peppers in the ingredients. I know it has red bell peppers, but not like chili pepper, which I think is spicy, and this one has also chipotle powder, which is spicy. This is really good.
It's tied up. They actually, whoever gets the ball, hits it.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave video here and I will see you in the next video.